There is how to schedule post on Facebook using your phone. Let's want to do so that you install this app from Play Store, right? This app. So just install the app and open the app, Meta Business Suite. Once you open it, log in with your Facebook login details, enter your username and your password, or your email and your password. Right. Once you have done that, you log in successfully. I've already logged in here. Now, how do you schedule a post? It's very simple. Click on this plus icon here to schedule a post, right? Click on the plus icon here. Now, if you want to schedule a normal post, you can click on post. But if you want to schedule reels, click on reels, right? So let's just use post as an example. So click on post, right? So let me just type this now. Let me just type this post now, right? Let me put a photo here. Click on allow access to upload the picture. Click allow. Now select the photo in your gallery, right? So let's just use this photo. Right? Click on done. Right. Now you want to select the page here you want to schedule the post to. Now let's say if you have a lot of pages, different pages, you are going to see them here, right? Even on your Instagram, you need to see them here. So you can post, you can only see you can manage all your pages in one place, both your posts, your messages, your comments, everything. You can manage them in one place in this Meta Business Suite, right? So once you have put in your text here, which is your write up of caption, you have uploaded your image, click on if you want to add location, you want to tag people, this is how you do it, right? So once you have done all this, click on next, then click on schedule for later. Let's say you want to schedule it for tomorrow, you can click on this drop down arrow here, then select 15 or select the particular date you want. So let's just use 15th of November, then click on OK, then select the time. Let's want to post it by 8 p.m. tomorrow. So click on the select zero, then click OK, click schedule, right? Then click on schedule. Now you can post here, say post scheduled, right? You can schedule this for the next 90 days, right? This is going to be posting on your behalf, whether you are online or offline, right? You can schedule from now to the next 30 days, 90 days, and all your content will be posting automatically on your behalf without you having to come online, right? So this is why this app is very, very, very important, right? Now, if you want to schedule another post, just click on plus, click on post, and do the same thing too and click on schedule, right? So you can schedule a lot of posts here, right? And you're going to see a list of all your scheduled posts right here, right? Now if you want to schedule reels or videos, it's still the same thing. Click on the plus icon, instead of selecting post, then select reels this time, right? Select reels and select the particular reels you want to schedule, right? Let's say you want to use this reel as an example, select it, we click on next, right? We put in our caption here, right? Put our caption here, right? Okay, then we can click on schedule for later and do that, and boom, we're able to schedule our reels. Right. Now you're able to see all of your messages in one places. Click on this inbox here, right? And you're going to see all of the messages in all of your pages, all right? And you can attend to them in one place without having to switch into different pages, all right? And also, if you want to see all your comments in different, let's say you have a lot of pages, a lot of pages, and a lot of businesses, you can just come to this comment section, or you are running hard and you want to see all the comments of people that are of the ads you are running. You can just come to this comment section and you're going to see all of the comments in all of the pages, everything in one place for you to manage, right? You can see them here, you can see comments here, right? And you can see images here. You can even filter for Instagram. That is, if you are connected to Instagram, you're able going to see all of your Instagram comments and inboxes here. You can manage everything on this Meta Business Suite, right? Now it's showing no Instagram because I don't have an Instagram here. So if you want to connect your Instagram, just click on this connect and you want to connect your Instagram, right? It's much simpler to do. You can just click on this menu here and play with a lot of things. And if you come to home, you're going to see all your content right here, right? You're going to see all of your content right here, right? And you can post stories, and do a lot more you can do right here, right? So this is exactly how you can use Meta Business Suite to schedule posts and do a lot of things both on your Facebook, your Instagram, and your pages, right? Manage all of your pages in one place. So I trust you gain value in this, right? If you find value in this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this, right? Because I drop videos like this every single week, right? So like this video now and subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.